Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Motorola keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to change contact number ringtone in Motorola keypad mobile. Friends, you want to change Motorola keypad mobile contact number ringtone. So friends, now let's see how to change Motorola keypad mobile contact number ringtone one by one and step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So first of all guys, open your phone contact list setting. After my phone contact list setting, and you want to change contact number ringtone. So how to change ringtone? Select your number option, edit option guys. We will select edit option, OK button, tap here. You can edit name, and if you want to edit number, so you can edit number also. Home number you want to add, so you can add home number also. Color picture friends, if you click here color picture setting, and if you click here add option, so friends you can add photo on contact number. You want to show photo on contact number, so you can add photo on contact number also. Photo will add on your contact number. So friends, caller ringtone we will select option, tap here, add option, select. You can select a new ringtone sound and you can use. And friends, if you click set from file, so you will have to set first, sorry guys, you will have to enter your memory card, then you can use your custom ringtone sound. So friends, I will set here ringtone 1. OK option, click here. Friends, you can see phone ringtone 2 is here, but when you will save number, your ringtone sound will change. So friends, you can see photo will add on this contact number, home photo will show. And if you select here view option, so friends you can see ringtone sound is 1. So like that friends, you can change your caller ringtone, you can change ringtone on your contact number. Friends, again you can select one more number. So friends, I will select my tuition friend number. I will select, and I will click here edit option. After guys, edit setting, last caller tune setting, select ring 1 is here. So friends, I will set here ring 4, and ring 3 you want to set, so you can set also. So I will click here caller ringtone, add option, ring 1, ring 2, ring 3, ring 4 you can use. And if you click here last, select from file, you will have to enter your memory card. I will set a ring 4. So friends, you can see caller ringtone is 1, but friends when you will save your number, so friends when you will on this number in your Motorola keypad mobile, my tuition friend number, so you can check here caller ringtone set 4. So like that way you can change contact number ringtone in Motorola keypad mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.